Hi, welcome. Today's lesson is stocks. What is a stock? A stock is a liquid containing some of soluble nutrients and flavors of food which are extracted by prolonged and gentle simmering. The timing for stocks are 20 minutes for fish stocks is enough, while for beef stock is 6 to 8 hours. It is important to keep the 20 minutes time for fish stock because it will spoil the flavor. If fish stock is boiled too quickly, it becomes cloudy. 4 points of good stock are flavor, color, clarity, non-greasy. So those are the 4 points of a very good stock. It is necessary to remove the scum, and the fat should be skimmed to have a good quality stock. So necessarily to remove the scum, and the fat should be skimmed. After rapid cooling, the stock should be stored between 1 and 5 degrees Celsius. And if the stock is to be frozen, it has to be minus 18 degrees Celsius. When stocks from freezer are to be used, they has to be boiled for 2 minutes, and they must not reheated more than once because of bacteria and health and safety issues. Stocks, sauces, and another form of liquid should never be stored above eye level. This is very important. Stocks and sauces and other form of liquid should never be stored above eye level. The reason is why, because if you want to reach and you can't see what is in the container, you pull it and you drop it all over you. It can be very dangerous. So we make sure that any form of liquids are not stored above eye level. Why we don't use salt in stocks? Because stocks are used as a base. The proportion ingredients for stocks are 2 kilos of raw bones for 400 grams of vegetables, 4.5 liters of water, Buchi Garni, which is a tea bag of herbs, or you can do a bunch of herbs, tie them together, and 6 peppercorns. What is fish glaze and meat glaze? These are stocks that are reduced to sticky consistency. These are used to improve texture. It is necessary to skim stocks because it will taste greasy. So in today's lesson, we've covered what is a stock, the timing of stocks, why we don't use salt in stocks, how we should store stocks, and the proportion of ingredients for stocks. I hope you will find this lesson as helpful as it should be, And thank you very much for watching. Bye now. Bye bye.